The psychology of why women lose their glow and how to get it back. You've seen it before. A woman who used to shine slowly dims, not because she aged, not because she stopped caring, but because life started taking more from her than it gave back. And maybe you felt it too. Your glow isn't just about beauty. It's your energy, your presence, your aliveness. And when it fades, you feel it in your face, your mood, your confidence, your relationships. Today we're going to talk about why women lose their glow, the psychology behind it, and, most importantly, how to get it back with simple daily habits that take less than 5 minutes. Hello, beautiful thinkers. Let's begin. Part 1. The real reason women lose their glow. 1. Emotional overload. Women carry invisible weight. Everyone's needs. Everyone's emotions. Everyone's expectations. Psychologists call this emotional labor, and it drains the nervous system. When your nervous system is overwhelmed, your glow dims because your body shifts into survival mode. Survival mode is not beautiful. It's protective. It's tense. It's tired. Your glow requires safety, not stress. 2. Chronic self-abandonment. Women lose their glow when they stop choosing themselves, not in dramatic ways, but in tiny daily betrayals. Saying yes when your body says no. Ignoring your hunger. Ignoring your fatigue. Ignoring your intuition. Ignoring your happiness. Glow is the natural result of self-connection. When you disconnect from yourself, your radiance fades. 3. Loss of micro-pleasures. Your glow is fed by micro moments of joy. Not vacations, not spa days, not big events, but the tiny simple things. Warm sunlight, a beautiful scent, a slow breath, a moment of laughter, a loving thought. When life becomes mechanical, your glow becomes mechanical too. 4. Hormonal and nervous system imbalance. Stress hormones like cortisol flatten your facial expressions, create lines and wrinkles, tighten your jaw, dull your eyes, and slow your digestion. Your glow is literally a biochemical signal of inner harmony. When your hormones are dysregulated, your glow dims, even if you're doing everything right. Part 2. The psychology of the glow. 1. Glow equals emotional safety. A glowing woman is a regulated woman. Her nervous system is not in fight or flight. She feels grounded, present, and open. People call it beauty, but it's actually emotional safety made visible. 2. Glow equals self-possession. A glowing woman is not rushed, not frantic, not scattered. She moves with intention. She speaks with clarity. She chooses with confidence. This is deeply attractive because it signals inner order. 3. Glow equals energy that flows outward. Glow is not makeup. Glow is not youth. Glow is not perfection. Glow is energy that flows, not energy that is trapped. When your energy is stuck in resentment, exhaustion, or overwhelm, your glow dims. When your energy flows through joy, gratitude, and presence, your glow returns. Part 3. How to get your glow back. These are simple, daily, practical habits that take 30 seconds to 3 minutes. They work because they regulate your nervous system, restore your hormones, and reconnect you to yourself. 1. The 60-second nervous system. Reset. Once a day, pause and do this. Inhale for 4. Hold for 2. Exhale for 6. This activates your parasympathetic nervous system, the system of glow, softness, and radiance. Do it while washing dishes, in the car, or before bed. 2. The glow thought. Ritual. Every morning, think one loving thought about yourself. Just one. Examples. I am worthy of ease. My presence is enough. I choose myself today. Your face changes when your thoughts soften. 3. The 3-minute beauty walk. Step outside for 3 minutes. Sunlight hits your eyes and skin, boosting serotonin and regulating your circadian rhythm. This is one of the fastest ways to restore glow. 4. The feminine energy posture. Reset. Glow is posture. Glow is openness. Once a day. Roll your shoulders back. Lift your chest. Relax your jaw. Unclench your stomach. Your body tells your brain, I am safe. I can shine. 5. The micro pleasure rule. Give yourself one tiny pleasure every day. Examples. A beautiful scent. A warm drink. A soft blanket. A song you love. A moment of silence. Pleasure is fuel for glow. 6. The 30-second face softening technique. Glow lives in the eyes and the micro expressions. Try this. Close your eyes. Relax your forehead. Relax your eyelids. Relax your mouth. Let your face fall into softness. This resets emotional tension instantly. 7. The 1 boundary a day practice. Glow cannot survive without boundaries. Choose one tiny boundary daily. I'll respond later. I'm not available right now. I need a moment. Every boundary you set returns a piece of your glow. 8. The 2-minute gratitude scan. Before bed, scan your day for 3 small things that felt good. Not big things. Small things. This rewires your brain toward joy, which shows up on your face. 9. The slow down by 10% rule. Move 10% slower. Speak 10% slower. Breathe 10% slower. Slowness is feminine. Slowness is glow. 10. The glow. Water ritual. Hydration is the simplest beauty ritual, but make it sacred. Add lemon. Add mint. Add berries. Add intention. Drink it like you're nourishing your future self. How hydration supports the body's core systems, brain function and mood regulation. Even mild dehydration, around 2% fluid loss, can impair memory, concentration, reaction time, and emotional stability. Research shows that hydration helps maintain cognitive performance and supports mood regulation, reducing anxiety and irritability. Water keeps the brain's electrical and chemical signaling stable, which is why dehydration can make you feel foggy or overwhelmed. Energy production and circulation. When you're dehydrated, blood becomes more concentrated. This makes the heart work harder to pump oxygen throughout the body, leading to fatigue and sluggishness. Hydration supports efficient circulation and oxygen delivery, which directly affects energy levels. Temperature regulation. Water is essential for sweating, which is the body's built-in cooling system. Without enough hydration, the body stores more heat and becomes less tolerant of high temperatures, increasing the risk of overheating. Joint cushioning and mobility. Cartilage in the joints is about 80% water. Hydration keeps joints lubricated, reduces friction, and supports smoother movement. Dehydration can make joints feel stiff or achy because the cushioning becomes less effective. Cellular function and nutrient transport. Water is the environment in which all cells live. It helps transport nutrients, deliver oxygen, remove waste, maintain electrolyte balance. Without adequate hydration, cells cannot perform optimally, which affects everything from skin glow to immune function. Detoxification and waste removal. Hydration supports the body's natural detox systems, urination, sweating, and bowel movements. Water helps flush out toxins, maintain kidney function, and prevent urinary tract infections and kidney stones. Digestion and metabolism. Water is required to break down food, absorb nutrients, and move waste through the digestive tract. Dehydration can lead to bloating, constipation, and digestive discomfort. It also plays a role in metabolic efficiency and appetite regulation. Heart health and electrolyte balance. Blood is largely water. When hydration is low, electrolytes like sodium and potassium become imbalanced, which can affect this heart rhythm and overall cardiovascular function. Why hydration affects beauty and glow. Hydration influences skin elasticity, circulation, inflammation, hormonal balance, stress response. When the body is well hydrated, the skin appears brighter, the eyes clearer, and the face more relaxed, because the internal systems are functioning smoothly. How much water the body needs. General guidelines suggest 11.5 to 15.5 cups of total fluid per day from all sources, water, beverages, and water-rich foods, but needs vary based on activity, climate, and health conditions. A healthcare professional can help determine what's appropriate for your personal health needs. A simple way to know you're hydrated. 2 quick indicators. You rarely feel thirsty. Your urine is light yellow or nearly clear. Dark urine, headaches, fatigue, or dizziness can be signs of dehydration. In closing, your glow was never lost. It was simply buried under responsibilities, expectations, and exhaustion. Glow is not something you chase. Glow is something you return to. When you regulate your nervous system, honor your boundaries, reconnect with your joy, and choose yourself, your glow comes back naturally, not because you tried harder, but because you finally stopped abandoning yourself. You deserve to shine, and the world is softer, kinder, and more beautiful when you do. Thank you for stopping by, and if this topic enlightened you, don't forget to subscribe, like or share it with the woman who needs her glow back. This is the Thinking Lab, where we just don't glow from the inside and out, but we grow beautifully. Until next time, stay grounded, stay healthy, stay powerful, stay beautiful.